I'm making this video at the request of a member who wanted a step-by-step tutorial to show how to post ads on Herculist. So Miss Miller, if you're listening and watching this video was made with you in mind. In this video I'm going to kind of branch it out and show you how to put together all the pieces I've talked about in separate video and have it come together by posting your ads on Herculist. So if you're using lead lightning and you're wondering, well, how do I post my ads on Herculist using lead lightning and how does all that play into things? I'm going to talk about all that stuff so you can kind of see how everything comes together. So if you don't have all these things, not to worry, I'm going to kind of explain in this video exactly how these pieces fit together. So if you're a member of Herculist, your inbox probably looks like something like this, just lots of emails. So before you join Herculist, I suggested that you get a separate Gmail email account so you can get emails from Herculist in a separate email address, because as you see, there's a lot of emails that you get. So typically, after you sign up with Herculist, you're going to come to that email address that you signed up and use exclusively for traffic exchanges. So all the other traffic exchanges that you sign up with, all the free advertising platform that you sign up with, you want to use this free email account or this new email account that you created, so you get all the emails here and not in your personal email inbox. You definitely want to keep them separate, because as you can see, you get a lot of emails from these free marketing places. So once you've created a separate email address, you could sign up for Traffic Exchange or any other traffic exchanges or any other free places that allow you to do advertisement. That's to keep your personal business separate from, your business here, your advertising here, because you're going to get a lot of emails. So that's the first thing. So when you sign up for Herculist, all you got to do in order to advertise on their platform free is you click on the links. So you get emails from Herculist, you click on the links, and it says here to get credits that you just click on the links. It says this ad submitted by admin is worth 75 points. You click on it and it takes you to another page, and then when the timer counts down, then you'll get credit for viewing this page. Now this page just happened to be for Best Easy Work. Someone's advertising Best Easy Work on here, so it just so happens to come up. I really didn't plan this. So that's how Hercules work. You sign up for a free account. They're going to send you emails. When you click on them, you'll earn the assigned points that they assigned to that email, and then you could use those points on Herculist to then send out your ads. So now I'm going to show you how you advertise on Herculist using these points that you earn. So the thing you want to do is go to your Herculist back office and log in. So you find your username and password and you log in to the site. When you log into the site, you're going to see more info like this, more ads. The thing is, you just want to get to the members area. So members area here. And when you click and get to the members area, you have all these buttons here that will allow you to place, one of these buttons will allow you to place the ad that goes out in people's email boxes. That looks like this. So you're in the back office of Herculist. It says email database. So that's the button you want to click on. Now there's some other buttons up here. You can definitely check things out. But to send this ad out to people, you're just going to click email database. When you click email database, now I happen to be a pro member, and the only difference between pro member is I really don't have to click for credits. Because as you realize, you're going to be, clicking on lots of ads here. So it takes some time out of your day to actually click some ads, which is, if you don't have any funds to, upgrade to the pro level where you don't have to click these ads to earn the credit, then I suggest you do. But if you got the time, you could definitely click here and earn the points and then come back and then use those points to advertise. So the pro member, just to let you know, I think it cost me about 15 bucks. So if that's, in your price range and worth it to you, definitely, you know what to do with it. But the pro membership allows me to advertise for 1 year for 15 bucks, and I could just come on here and just send out my ads to the entire group without having to click on the ad. So that's what that does for me. So that's why you see this pro member thing here. So, but you have a page that looks like this, and it kind of, you want to read this stuff. It tells you, you know, kind of how all this stuff plays out and just all this stuff. So you want to read through this stuff so it makes sense to you. So what are you going to put here? In the subject head, this is where you're going to put a title. So I'm going to show you the different things I have. Because I've used it before. So I've used title like brand new, the 7-day money plan, do you want to make some money for free? I've used this one. I can show you how to make $60 a day with this cheap product. So this one headline here, I'm actually talking about lead lightning. This one headline, I can show you how to make $6 a day with this cheap product. And I'll show you the lead capture page for the lead lightning I'm using. So this is the lead capture page for the lead lightning that I'm using. Now, if you have lead lightning, your page probably looks like this. And so that's the link you would use to put in this area right here. So you just copy your lead lightning page link and you put it in that box over there. Now you're going, where do I find this lead lightning link? So if you're in lead lightning, you're going, where do I find this link? So let's go to your lead lightning back office and I'll show you some stuff back there. So this is your lead lightning back office. Mine is named the Power Lead System because mine is the upgraded version from lead lightning. All the upgraded version is, I actually upgraded to a gold member, they call it. And what that allows me to do is create pages like these. So really cute pages like these that are different, captivating, and pretty much it was a simple process. I just copied what they call a share code, plugged it into my back office, and then if I wanted to change the words on this page, I could change the words and so on. So that's not to tell you about the Power Lead System. That's just to show you the updated version of the lead lightning, what it allows you to do. So lead lightning is pretty much the basic level that allows you to collect leads, and then it sends out emails on your behalf that you don't have to write, you don't have to do anything, and the system works for you. So let me show you what that means. So in the back office here, your back office, all you got to do is click on the easy button. When you click on the easy button, it's going to take you to a page like this, and then it's going to tell you all about this lead lightning thing that you just got. Now lead lightning is only $7. Let's pause that. So lead lightning will cost you $7 and you own it for life. So you own it for life and you collect leads with it. Alright, I'll leave it there. So home of the lead lightning, the free lead system, and the power block. So you can watch this video. It will tell you exactly what to do. So you can join the Facebook group to get more support about lead lightning, to meet people who are using lead lightning, the Power Lead System, so you could get a feel for the community and ask questions and be mentored by folks there. The next thing, you choose a link below to advertise. Do you want to advertise A link or B link or both? And then step 3, you advertise your link. So referral link A, all it does is promote lead lightning. So if you're going to use this link, all you got to do is say, show me the link, and it will give you a link to use. So if you choose this option, all you're going to be able to do is advertise, let's find that for you, this page only. So that's all you'll be advertising is lead lightning. Now lead lightning costs you $7. When you resell to someone else, you're going to make $6 over and over again. So if you sell another time, you make $6 over and over again, and you only pay for it one time. So if you click that link, use this referral link A, that's the only page you can advertise is this page. Now if you use referral link B, this allows you to advertise your lead lightning, so you can make $6 on lead lightning whenever it's resold to someone else. Plus it advertises your primary business, so it's an all-in-one. So this is the one I suggest you use. Because it kills 2 birds with 1 stone. You're advertising lead lightning, and you're also advertising your primary business. Now we're talking about best easy work. So your primary business would be best easy work, as you see it in my back office here. So it's going to ask you to put your best easy work affiliate link in this box, and then hit the update button. and then it wants you to test your link here to make sure that it goes to the right page. So all you need to do is go to your Best Easy Work back office. So if you're on this page, if you get to your page like this, you could just scroll down here, or any page, and hit the login button. Or if this is your page and you know the link to it, then that's all you need. But if you don't have the link, just log in, go to any Best Easy Work page, click on the members login, log into your Best Easy Work, and when you log in, you'll have your link to promote. You want to copy this link from your Best Easy Work back office, go back to your Lead Lightning back office and plug that link right here, right where it says enter your company's personal link. Just like you see mine there. You're going to plug it in, hit the update button, and that's it. You are done. Once you do that, we're going to get to the button that says show me the link to use. So once you press that, put your Best Easy Work link in there, update it, you want to show me the link to use. So the Lead Lightning is going to give you a link that you should use. So when you click on it, then it comes up, and of course read all that stuff. Because this is telling you that it's going to send out emails on your behalf that you didn't write, you didn't have to create. It's going to create this all for you. It's going to have your name in there, so it's going to personalize it to you. And all you did was join Lead Lightning, and this did it for you automatically. Now, if you scroll down a bit, it's going to tell you here is the link to promote Lead Lightning and your primary business. All you want to do is just copy this link. So that's it. That's all you want to do. Just copy this link, and now you're ready to go on to any site and use that link to promote your Lead Lightning business and your Best Easy Work business, or any business you plug in here, all in one. So then you'd go back to your, your Herculist, and then plug that link in there, that Lead Lightning link that promotes both your Best Easy Work and Lead Lightning. You plug it in there, make a short little comment that says, check this out, or anything you want to put in there. Because let me show you again, because remember, when you get emails from people who are advertising on Herculist, you could see that these emails, right, when you look at them, it's a lot of things to read. And what's happening here, people are just coming here to click on this to get credits. So, you could put a little blurb in here, but you don't have to go crazy with it, because no one really wants to read all this stuff, right? They just want to find out the link to click. So that's all you really want, is make sure you provide the link for them to click, which is this. They're going to see the headline and say, oh, that's interesting, let me check it out. And then when they open it, they're going to see the link, and it's going to say, you get to earn 75 points if you click on this link, which will be your link, which will be this link. And then when people click on it, they'll go to your Lead Lightning page that looks like this. They're going to enter their email in there, and then the Lead Lightning system is going to send them emails on your behalf. It's going to send them emails about your Lead Lightning business, and it's also going to send them emails about your Best Easy Work business, or any other business that you want to plug into it. So it just doesn't have to be Lead Lightning. So if you, Best Easy Work. So if you wanted to change it, change out the business that it's going to advertise for you, you could certainly do that. So let me recap, and hopefully that was a good intro in terms of how to use this system together. So of course, after you plug all this information in, you want to hit submit so that it goes out to the group. So you know what? I'm actually going to do it live on camera here. I'm going to use my Power Lead system link, my Lead Lightning link, and actually send out an advertisement right now. So you put your Lead Lightning link there, just like I'm putting mine there, and hit the submit button. And when it hits submit, it will be happy, and it's all done. And that's it. So if you get to some other page, it's been submitted. Now you could check if it worked, if it went, by click on the members area again. And over here it says view your ads. Now I'm not quite sure, if you're a free member, if it keeps track of your ads, but as a pro member, it keeps track of your ads in a window. So my ad that just went out now, you could see it right here. So I could just resubmit it, whenever I want. So I wouldn't have to write it all over again. So maybe that's a benefit of the pro member. So if you didn't see that button, I guess you have to be a pro member in order to get this kind of activated service, which I think is pretty neat because that saves me time from coming in here and finding my